All right, good morning, everybody. So we have the testing points and equations. So for each equation, we're going to plug in 2 points. We're going to plug in the same 2 points for each equation. The first point here is -2, 5, and this point is 3, -4. So the first thing we're going to do is rewrite the equation as is below. -5 equals x plus 2y. I'm going to switch to pen. There we go. You should be writing in pencil, but for whatever reason that's not working for me. Okay. So then the first thing we're going to do is try -2, 5. This should be just like we did it with the Khan Academy exercise. So if you want to write a little x, y up here so you know that the x value is, and then the y value is, so we're going to plug in -2 for, and we're going to plug in 5 for, so let's go back and start rewriting. If it's not an x or a y, it stays the same. -5 and the equals. X, we already said, was -2. And this is always going to be 2 times, like something times y. Or if it's 3x, it's times x. But here it's 2y, so it's 2 times something. Well, what's the y value? We already said it is 5. So this doesn't change, and you can use your calculator to plug in -2 plus 2 times 5. Go ahead, and we will see that that is 8. So does -5 equal 8? That is a no. This point does not satisfy the equation. So now we're going to try the point 3, -4. 3, -4. So we're going to write 3, -4. And again, if you want to write a little x and a y, so we know that x for this part is 3, and y for this part is -4. So we go back to the original equation, which is -5 equals x plus 2y. And wherever I see x, I will write 3. Wherever I see y, I will write -4. So -5 will equal, the value for x is 3, and then plus 2 times, you need to get yourself in the habit, instead of 2y, we're going to write 2 times, and whatever y is, -4. And then this side is already simplified, -5. So you're going to plug 3 plus 2 times -4 into your sweet calculators. And that's -5. Hey, what do you know? Does -5 equal -5? That is a yes. That means that this point, 3, -4, satisfies this equation. It makes it work. Okay, so we're going to do one more, and we're going to see what we can see. Let's do number 3. So here's number 3. The first thing you're going to do is rewrite the equation. What is the point we're going to try? The very first point we're going to try is -2, 5. -2, 5. And that's the x value and the y value. So x is -2, y is 5. So over here we've got -2 plus 3 times, because we know that that means times, not x, it means times, but the x value is -2, and we want to see if that equals the y value, 5. So plug in with your sweet calculators. -2 plus 3 times -2. And that should be -8. Does that equal 5? That's a no. So this point does not work. So let's move to the next one. So we've got -2 plus 3x equals y. What point are we trying now? 3, -4. So we're trying 3, -4. So wherever I see x, I'm going to write a 3. Wherever I see a y, we're going to write -4. So we have -2 plus 3 times, the x value is 3. And does that equal the y value, -4? So let's find out. -2 plus 3 times 3 is 7. Does that equal -4? No. So in this case, it's neither. All right, so that is 2 perfect examples of what we need to do for this. You have 20 problems. Work as long as it takes you to get to all 20, or work till the end of the hour, whichever one comes first. So good luck. Thank you.